What's going on in crypto today? It's 3rd of June. I'll cover it now. So this here is the trend line for Bitcoin. Now, Bitcoin, this is keeps on getting rejected from this trend line. And the expectation is, some people are calling this on Twitter, that we're actually going to go down from here, that the top is actually in. This is not the case in my opinion. Nothing's financial advice, but this is certainly not the case. And we're going to cover this in a different video so that you can potentially discredit the other people that I keep on saying this. Now, Trump administration has set a firm deadline of July 8th to finalize trade deals, and is urging countries to submit their best offers by Wednesday to avoid reinstatement of tariffs. What's basically been said is Congress makes the rules, and as they do so, it doesn't really matter what Trump says, Congress has to agree on this, unless it is actually deemed a national emergency. So that's kind of the TLDR. This basically, to me, means that tariffs, this is not going to be the case. I think a lot of this FUD is going to be removed from the market, just like in previous cycles where China banned Bitcoin, China banned crypto. They would ban it 3 or 4 times a year, and each time the market would react a little bit and a little bit less, a little bit less. This is what Raoul Paul has said. Like, it was already priced in. It's been priced in, the M2 money supply. Everything has been priced in. It's just DGens on crypto, Twitter, and leverage, and great market makers like your Wintermutes and Binance and whatnot. They just like to destroy retail and not so bigger whales. So that I think our tariff situation is going to be not so bad, but this is something to look out for to catch the other people that aren't super familiar. Hyperliquid is the thing that's been talked about the most. We're going to cover Hyperliquid in maybe a tutorial tomorrow if we can get it out in time. Basically, how to deploy capital to try and get the best return on investment in terms of airdrops and the opportunities there. So Hyperliquid here, they've now surged to the number 5 DEX, I believe, and just things have been growing and growing, and this price tip of $10 in March, that's long overdue. Now, Hype has now been listed on spot markets, but with Binance, and you have to kind of wonder, can Binance and the big dogs kind of destroy this? I don't know if there's like an alliance between Binance, Bybit, and whatnot, but I don't think they can. I think it's going to be hard, so I think they're just going to get on board with it, and they may end up doing their own blockchains. Who knows? Other cool news here is the market cap for USDC and, well, stablecoins in general, $250 billion. And I'm hoping this is going to grow and grow and grow, and then our dominance will decrease and decrease and decrease. Cryptocurrency market state visualization, whole lot of greenery, with Hype being the absolute biggest one. It was kind of clear with Sol going down and whatnot that it was certainly a time to grab some Sol and put it into a Meteor bid ask system. You can do it with quite a few things, but Hype is still, this is the fastest horse in the race. It is outperforming everything, and we have that small correction that happened, and we'll probably be up hopefully 180 again by June 18th, probably sooner. Fair and Greed is at 64. And having a quick look at the crypto calendar, we've redesigned this now. Remember, stake your soul, stake. But have a look here. It's going to be more and more updated, and we'll work out some Telegram thing to prompt you. But that's going to take a little bit of time. Claynosaurz mint is ending. By the time this video is out, it would have been ended. Solana Summit's going on, and vote. Now, this is very big news from Solana. This is fantastic. I'll move myself over here. So they've signed an MOU, which is a memo of understanding. It's a formal agreement between 2 or more parties that outlines the intentions to collaborate on a specific project or goal with FARA, which is the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority in Dubai, to basically attract talent, economic impact workshops, and support for a Solana economic zone in Dubai. I would say, honestly, if you're a single person and you want to make it in crypto, and you've got like a little bit of money to get yourself set up, and you don't come from a country which is really hard to get a visa, Dubai is probably the place. People calling from New York, Americans are calling from New York, maybe some others. I would not say New York is where it's at. It doesn't make sense to me. Dubai, I think, is pretty good. So this and these sort of things could really help elevate, especially with the tax situation. As mentioned, there's a vote on. Get amongst it. You've got until 6th of June. Vote however you want. I don't mind. Just vote. And ideally, read it. Bonk Arena is now live. Earn Bonk for every elimination. Play on mobile and browser for a chance to win over 10K in prizes over the next 30 days. Haven't played it yet, but I'm going to check it out. And it is a Phantom exclusive. So I am a Solflare maxi when it comes to Solana. For this, I am suggesting you get amongst it, but you're going to have to use Phantom. You're going to have to import a seed into Phantom if you're using Solflare. And yeah, unfortunately, it's a Phantom exclusive. That's a bit of a sad thing, but maybe it was sponsored quite heavily. I know that you have to mint one of these, and I haven't done everything that I need to work out for this yet. So mint is open for like 9 days. We've got time, so I'm not going to rush it. We'll work it out. We'll let you know, but I'm sure you can dive in for 5 minutes and work it out yourselves. 0.05 Sol when you include everything. The Drift Fuel Snapshot has completed. Drift is certainly something worthwhile to use. It's nowhere near as fast as I would like it to be. And so that's where I think Fogo Chain is going to be fantastic, really fantastic. Obviously, Hype is really good right now, but Drift is pretty damn good on Solana itself. I would say it's better than Dupe's Perps, even though, and Flash Rate is pretty damn good as well. But anything that just makes it faster, that is the bigger goal. But I'm digressing. TLDR's fuel points balances for Drift vouchers. Snapshot was taken yesterday. Total trading volume. Claims page will go live in the next coming weeks for eligible users. So you're going to be able to claim some more Drift, which could be some sell pressure on Drift. If you've got a big bag of Drift, you maybe they've got market makers lined up to take it up, or you may want to consider hedging. Not financial advice. James Wynn has deleted this. I am not following him, actually. Maybe I should follow him just to see what people are talking about. But he's very, very sad that market makers are hunting him. And like, it's delusional that this person's made so much money, almost 100 million, and then's lost it. And is just really struggling because, and I don't think he's hedging. We initially thought he was hedging. This is what he did, tweeted, and then it was deleted. I believe if you want, I'm pretty sure this was correct. James Win Real. If you want to fight the market, you can send here. Assuming I win, everyone will send 1 back of their money. This is in God's hand now. It's all about trying to beat them by taking on the big market makers. So Arkham has reported that James Wynn has just deposited 20,000 of donated funds to his Hyperliquid, moves the liquidation price up. Now, Bitcoin has pumped up, so I don't think he actually got liquidated. But this is the difference. Because of his crazy leverage, which is just insane, it doesn't make a difference. Final thing is the Claynosaurz mint. It's going to be over by the time this video actually comes out, but we've been covering it. I hope you got it amongst it. I think it's pretty cool. But aside from this, like, just check out the next things in their plans. So they're thrilled to announce a partnership with Media One Kids and Family, Europe's leading animation franchise machine, bring the world of Claynosaurz to television and global audiences with plans of turning Claynosaurz into a global phenomenon. I think that they are the best suited IP to make it happen. So that may influence you checking out some Popkins if the floor price is super, super low. At present, I can't give you too many details because maybe we're going to get a bit of a rush in the last hour, but let's assume 70,000 packs minted out of 20, or maybe it's like 80,000. And the floor price is 200. Trying to pick up something around 200 to 250 will probably be a good idea, but I imagine it'll creep up more than that. But I just haven't seen the Sui community like properly obsess over it yet, and it just might be because NFTs are harder this cycle. But I'm not betting against them, and I have tried to accumulate some, and I will continue to try again. That's all. Catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Cheers.